6 natural remedies for a urinary tract infection. Urinary tract infections can occur in several parts of the urinary system. The most common infections involve the urethra and the bladder, but they can also affect the kidneys and the ureters. Additionally, women are more susceptible to this condition than men. UTIs are serious because they can progress and lead to even more severe conditions like kidney failure. Usually, these infections are treated aggressively with antibiotics. However, you can also try natural remedies to treat mild infections and keep them from recurring. Following are 6 natural home remedies you can use to treat urinary tract infections. 1. Cranberries. The E. coli bacteria is the most common cause of UTIs, and cranberries can help treat them. According to a study published by the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2009, cranberries are incredibly useful in treating urinary tract infections because they keep E. coli from attaching to the cells that line the urinary tract. This makes the condition easier to flush out. To treat a UTI with cranberries, you can eat fresh and dried berries, but drinking lots of unsweetened cranberry juice will be most beneficial. 2. Guava juice. Vitamin C is vital for curing many UTIs, including bladder and urethral infections. According to a 2007 study published in Acta Obstetricia et Gynecologica Scandinavica, AOGS, a daily dose of 100 milligrams is an effective treatment against any urinary infection. For UTIs, vitamin C is best used in liquid form since it increases fluid intake, and as a result makes you urinate more frequently. Although orange juice is the most popular choice for fruit juices, guavas contain more vitamin C. Just 1 cup of guava has 377 milligrams of vitamin C. That's about 4 times the vitamin C concentration in oranges, and more than 3.5 times the recommended dosage for UTI treatment. 3. Oregano essential oil. Oregano essential oil has many health benefits. It has potent antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. This is supported by research published by the Molecules Journal in 2017. Although many doctors recommend against ingesting essential oils, you can safely use them as topical treatments. For UTIs, you can add a few drops of essential oil to your bath water or dilute it for an external feminine wash. 4. Probiotics. Probiotics are most commonly used to support gut health, but a study review published by the Drugs Journal in 2008 was also proven helpful in treating UTIs. If you're going to take probiotic supplements, choose the ones with lactobacilli strains. Otherwise, you can increase your consumption of probiotic foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi. 5. Bearberry supplements. The bearberry plant is more traditionally known as Uva ursi. This has long been a natural remedy for UTIs and bladder inflammation. According to a study published by Trials in 2017, bearberry supplements can be combined with common anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen to treat mild to moderate UTIs. In the study, women on this treatment plan did not need to take antibiotics for relief. 6. Water. Water is the purest fluid you can consume, which is critical for reducing the stress on your organs. Drink plenty of water as frequently as possible. Doing so will not only help you dilute your urine, but will also encourage you to urinate frequently. Frequent urination is the key to flushing out bacteria from the bladder and the remainder of the urinary system, according to a study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2003. Urinary tract infections can be painful. Additionally, they should never be ignored because they can lead to even worse conditions. If you don't like the idea of using antibiotics right away, use any of these 6 proven natural remedies. But remember that if your symptoms persist, you must get tested and consult with your doctor as soon as possible. Here are study references we used to create this video to start you on your own path of research. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.